This free gift box for everyone from Swiggy Instamart. Let's check out. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Swiggy Instamart is offering free gift box as you see in the picture. I have placed an order on Swiggy Instamart. The order value was 500 and I have got a gift box. I'll show you how it will be added automatically in the cart in the later part of the video. Along with the gift box, free lights are also given if you apply the coupon in the cart. Okay, now we'll see what's there in the gift box that is given by Swiggy Instamart for Christmas Eve. As you see in the picture, all you want for Christmas delivered in 10 minutes by Swiggy Instamart. We see happy wishes of Merry Christmas from Swiggy Instamart on the occasion of Christmas Eve. You have Choco Bakes. This worth 10 rupees. It's super delicious and it's soft and it melts in your mouth. You have got fused chocolate. This is not for sale. It's a sample piece. It's Cadbury and nuts goes into it. Next we see Fritz. This costs 5 rupees. If you're interested in having some French fries, you can try this. They're crunchy. If any of you watching my video for the first time, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. If you enjoy the video, do share to your friends and family. Last but not least, we see some decor items on the occasion of Christmas Eve. As you see in the picture, you've got bells, stars, ball. I'm super excited to unpack this small gift wrap. I thought it was chocolate, but it turned into thermocol. Anyways, that's all we have in the gift box. Now we'll see how to get gift box from Swiggy Instamart. Go to Swiggy app, click on Instamart. You go to top deals and add to cart. As you see in the picture, I've got here nuts at 60% off. You can add to cart. After adding all the products to the cart, go to view cart. Once you go to view cart, you'll see automatically freebie Christmas delight box has been added to the cart. Come down. If you want free lights, you can go to view more coupons and offers. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can scroll down and see the coupon that is available as free lights. You click on apply. That's it, done. Here I have not got free lights. I've applied a coupon of Choco Bakes. Because if you want free lights, the minimum order value should be 1000 rupees. But if you want free Christmas delight box or gift box, there's no minimum order value. Automatically when you add all the items to the cart, it will show up in the cart, the gift box. Now you can check out by clicking on pay and place your order on Swiggy Instamart. This is how you can enjoy your free gift from Swiggy Instamart on the occasion of Christmas Eve. Thank you all. If you want to cancel the order, you can check out my video in the I button and description box. Okay, that's it all for today. Happy and healthy Christmas. Keep smiling. Have a good day. Do subscribe. Please don't forget.